Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Claudia Works. Welcome, and if you have not subscribed, please do so. It's free. And guys, on today's video we are diving deep into a very interesting topic. So you guys, I need you to like, subscribe, and also give the video comment on the video. So on today's topic we are discussing why Jamaicans are moving back to home from abroad. So let's keep the conversation going, guys. So as you all know that Jamaica is the land of wood and water, home of a vibrant culture and warm people, and also a breathtaking beauty. But for the decades, many Jamaicans left this paradise to seek opportunities abroad. And now they are moving back home. And my question is, why is this happening? So for years, Jamaicans sought greener pastures in countries like United States, UK, Canada, and other countries too. They left in search of better jobs, higher education, and also financial security. But life abroad it's not always what it seems. For many Jamaicans abroad face like high living costs, long working hours, and a sense of cultural disconnection. And the dream of a better life sometimes comes with unexpected sacrifices. And also, guys, there are several factors that are driving Jamaicans to return home. And for many, it's about reconnecting with the family, escaping the fast-paced life abroad, and also enjoying a lower cost of the living. And another thing you should know that is housing in Jamaica, while not cheap, can still be more affordable than in cities like New York or London. Others are coming back to contribute to Jamaica's growth, from agriculture to technology. Returning residents are bringing valuable skills and also investment that help build the nation. And also moving back to Jamaica, there are some also challenges. Some face issues like adjusting to local systems and also dealing with the crime while navigating the economy. But many say the reward outweighs the risk. And also, whether it's the pull of family, the love of culture, or the desire to create a better life, Jamaicans are coming home. And in doing so, they are shaping a brighter future for the highlands. And my question is, are you considering making the move back to Jamaica? Let me know in the comments. Yes, guys, and also note that one of the driving forces behind this trend is the growth of Jamaican industries. From tourism to agriculture and even emerging tech and creative sectors. There are also opportunities for Jamaicans to thrive at home. Yeah, so guys, also entrepreneurship is on the rise, with the returning Jamaicans starting businesses that blend global perspective with the local flavor. They are not just building a life for themselves, they are creating jobs and uplifting communities. So for many Jamaicans, the decision to return goes beyond economics. It's about rediscovering their roots and reconnecting with their heritage. There is something powerful about waking up to the sound of birds, the smell of ackee and saltfish cooking, and also the vibrant rhythm of the Jamaican lifestyle. Also, the global landscape is also playing a role. Economic uncertainty, inflation, and also shifting immigration policies into countries like the US and UK are pushing some Jamaicans to reconsider staying abroad. And in contrast to this, Jamaica's improving infrastructure and government programs for returning residents are making the transition home smoother. So my question will still remain, are you thinking of returning to Jamaica? So at the end of the day, returning to Jamaica is more than just a physical move. It's an emotional journey back to the essence of who you are. It's about embracing the challenges and celebrating the joy of living in one of the most unique places on earth. So are you ready to come home to Jamaica? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have already made the move, share your story. It could inspire someone else to take the leap. So guys, one people, one nation, one love. Keep subscribing.